Hey, what up you guys? It's Summertime Kev, and we're cooking in Poppy's kitchen today. And we're doing a little takeoff on a classic. We're doing raclette cheese. We're gonna put it on a ham sandwich. We're gonna use these delicious bakery brioche buns that I have here. And we also got some ham from a spiral cut ham from the holidays. So I'm still going through holiday food. That's great. Still going through holiday food, still making good use of it. And what we've got, simple ingredients today. We've got some pickled red onions, cornichons, some regular mayo, S&P, salt and pepper. And then we've got this ham from a spiral cut ham. And then these two delicious bakery fresh brioche buns that we're gonna put this ham sandwich on. And the caveat is raclette cheese. And it's gonna be bubbly, hot, gooey, melted, delicious raclette cheese. This is the Swiss raclette. Melts really smooth. It's a nutty, Swedish melting cheese from the Swiss Alps. Years and years ago, the shepherds used to go up there and they would take a big chunk of this cheese and some potatoes, and they would boil the potatoes, and then they would take the cheese and put it next to the fire and melt it, and it would get all gooey, and they'd scrape it off on their potatoes, and they might have some other things in there, some boiled onions, and that was their dinner. I mean, because the cheese stayed good, the potatoes stayed good, the onions stayed good. They would be out in the mountains with the sheep and whatnot for, you know, days and days and days. So that was one of their main staples. But today it's considered a delicacy around the world, and I have it in Poppy's kitchen all the time. It is a staple for me. So let's get going, put that sandwich together, and give her a taste test. This one's gonna have honey mustard on it. Switch it up just a little bit. I know you're gonna comment pickles don't go on a sandwich, but these little cornichons, they go on a sandwich. I'm telling you, it's the way to do it. Get some of this delicious ham. This is a honey cured spiral cut ham. Just delicious. Just waiting on one thing. Here it is. It's already melted and gooey. So I'm gonna scrape it off and try and get it on both of these. If I can. I'm not the best scraper. I tried. It's okay. Here we go. All right, we gotta go in and taste it. I'm going for the one with the cornichons on it. Delicious. This is Summertime Kev in Poppy's kitchen with another raclette meal. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to check out my channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes on YouTube.